Good morning, children. This video is for class 3 and the subject is computer, and today I am going to start lesson number 2. So when you open your book, page number 11, it is your lesson number 2, and the name of this chapter is operating system. So today we are going to learn or read about the operating system, what is an operating system, and what are the importance in computer. So first of all, look at in your book. We have studied in the previous chapter that the hardware parts of a computer and the software parts of a computer. I think that all of you have remembered that hardware and software what you have learned in before the summer vacation. Once again I am going to just revise this one. Computer system is divided in two parts, that is the computer hardware and the computer software. Hardware are the physical part of the computer which we can see, which we can touch, and the software are the program or the set of instructions. So in hardware part we can take the name of keyboard, CPU, mouse. All these things are given in your lesson number 1. You have already learned before the summer vacation. Mouse, printer, monitor, keyboard, CPU, all these things are comes under the hardware part. And in software part, what are these? So software, as we know that software is a set of program, and this software is divided again in two parts, that is the system software and application software. System software and application software. So again we come in this lesson number 2, operating system. We have studied in the previous chapter that the hardware parts of computer executes their functions with the help of software. So in computer, hardware and software are working together. System software, as we know that software is again divided in two parts, system software and application software. So system software provides an environment to interact with computer. When you look at in your book, page number 11, the definition of an operating system is given there. You can see here, an operating system, I'm going to read out this one. You just find out in your book in page number 11. An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between user and the other resources of computer and helps to get the desired job done from the computer. So we can say, what is an operating system? Operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between a user and the other resources of computer, and it is also helpful for getting desired result. Okay, an operating system in computer runs and manages the working of a computer. We can say that operating system is also known as control system. Control system. Operating system is also known as control system. It works with some specific program which is always present in the memory in computer. The procedure of loading an operating system into the computer's memory is termed as booting. Now, if you remember that when you are going to switch on the computer, first of all you see that some programs are running very quickly in your computer before starting of your application, whatever you want to open. So that process is known as booting. What it is called? That process is known as booting. So what is the meaning of booting? The procedure of loading an operating system into the computer's memory is called as booting. Okay, so what we have learned till now, operating system is also known as control system. All of you have to remember and keep it in your mind that operating system is also known as control system. And what is an operating system? An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface in between computer and the user, and it also helps to perform or to get the desired result. Okay, now when you turn your page, one most important topic is given there in page number 12. At the top of the page, if you see that what is given here, some important functions of an operating system. What are the important functions of an operating system? So I am writing here important functions of operating system. OS, the full form of OS is operating system. So we can also write it like this, OS, operating system. So important functions of operating system. First of all, the number one, it coordinates the functions of various hardware devices. What is the first function? Coordinates the functions of hardware devices. Okay, the next one, what it is? It passes the instructions of a user to the respective location. Passage the instructions. Now what is the next one? It enables user and software to interact with the hardware. Enable the user to interact with hardware. Okay, the next one, it provides a unique platform to run different types of software. Provide unique platform to run the software. Okay, what is the next? It also performs the functions of retrieving, storing, naming, and protecting files. Perform the functions of saving, naming, etc. Okay, so these are the different functions which are performed by an operating system. Okay, so these are the different functions the operating system is going to perform. Okay, so once again I am going to repeat it, or I am going to again explain it one by one what I have written here about operating system. Okay, first of all, what is an operating system? Operating system is the most important part in our computer. And what is that? If you have remember what you have learned in previous chapter, that is in chapter number 1, the computer system is divided in two parts, that is the computer hardware and the computer software. What is computer hardware? The hardware in computer hardware is a physical, we can say that hardware is a physical part of a computer system, which we can touch, which we can see, etc. And what is software? Software is a set of program, okay, which are helpful to perform so many tasks. Again, in hardware we can take the names of mouse, keyboard, CPU, then printer, monitor, speaker, UPS. So many parts are there. It comes under the hardware part. Again, I am going to explain the software part of a computer system. What is software? Software is a set of program which are needed to execution of a work which user want to do, and this software is divided in two parts, that is the system software and application software. Okay, system software, for example, in system software we can take the name of operating system, and in application software we can take the name of MS Word. So application software we are going to discuss in next upcoming classes. Now the operating system. This chapter is based on this operating system. So what is an operating system? An operating system is a system software which acts as an interface in between a user and the computer, and it is also helpful to get the desired result. Okay, operating system is also known as control system. So we can say the operating system and control system is the same. It is also known as, we can say operating system, we can also say it control system. Again, I have written here booting. What is booting? The procedure of loading an operating system in computer is known as booting. What is booting? Loading of operating system. Loading of operating system is known as booting. So booting, when you switch on your computer, then you can see some programs are running quickly in your computer before opening your application. That process or that procedure is called booting. Okay, the next topic I have written here, that is the important functions of operating system. What are the important functions or important works performed by the operating system? First one is, it coordinates the functions of hardware devices like keyboard, then mouse, monitor, speaker, printer, scanner, CPU, UPS, everything, every hardware devices. So operating system, what it does, it coordinates the functions of hardware devices. The second most important function is passes the instructions. What are the instructions given by the user to the computer? It is passed by the operating system. Next one, it enables the user to interact with hardware. The user who wants to work with the help of computer, that particular user is needed different type of hardware to give instructions to the computer. So it is helpful to interact in between user and the hardware part of the computer. The next, number 4 important function, it provides unique platform to run the software. As we know that software is a set of program, and each and every program needs some time to run or to execute it. So operating system provides unique platform to run the software. The next and the last one is, it performs the function of saving, naming, renaming, storing, etc. of file. So all of you are aware that in class 1 and class 2 you know that how we can create a file in computer and how we can save it. You have also learned about to give the name of that particular file. So all these works are performed by the operating system. So these are the important functions. Now what you have to do, you just take out your computer copy, school computer copy, then you just write down the today's date. It is 13th of June 2020, lesson number 2. Then again write the name of this lesson, operating system, and then you start writing important functions of operating system. Okay, so important functions of operating system, this after writing this heading, you just write down this 5 functions to into your copy. And in next class we are going to learn some more things about an operating system. And for today I am going to just stop the close the topic here, and in next class we will meet again. Thank you and have a nice day.